Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the vlog. Today, we're going to talk about a review on the Famation table fan, 12-inch brush nickel. Here's the box. I'll do it this way. Famation table fan. Here's the side. And all that. It's the barcode. This is the actual picture of the correct one. Now we'll go to the speeds. Come on here. We'll go through the speeds. Hold on, get straight. Slow. That's me. I'm sorry. This is me. I'm sorry. This is me. And this is high. Pretty fair how you can get on Amazon.com. Yeah, or Lowe's.com. It's more expensive, but you can get on Amazon at a decent price. Now I'm going to show you how to get disengaged isolator. Use that nozzle on top, right there in the back. I'll show you guys. You can get to it. Yes. This is the isolator right here. Just push it up and down. That's what you want to do. I want to re-engage it. Show you all. Now I want it to spin down. Oh, sorry. A little stiff, so. There you go. It's a little stiff. Just bought it a couple days ago. Okay, now I'll watch it spin down. Thanks, everybody.